Good morning, teacher. Today's topic is about a TV show from my childhood. It was called Childhood. It was a Mexican series that I watched every afternoon on my living room TV after school, accompanied by cookies and hot chocolate made by my grandmother. But it was a very popular TV show for both adults and children. The main character was Chavo and his friends from the neighborhood were all children in the show, each with their own distinctive personality, including his friends. Setting the eighth, it continues to be broadcast in many countries to this day. It has influenced generations. That's all. Thank you.